Foods that are rich in fiber, like papaya, plum, pumpkin, orange, oatmeal, and chia seeds, have a laxative effect. They add bulk to the stool, making it a great way to relieve constipation. Many of these foods also have a great quantity of water, another element that is essential for the easy passing of stools. You should aim to drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day to stay hydrated and facilitate bowel movements. It is important to include laxative foods as part of a daily, balanced diet to help with bowel movements and to prevent episodes of constipation in the future. Some common foods that are natural laxatives you can eat to relieve constipation are: papaya. 100 grams of papaya contains 2 grams of fiber, as well as a great amount of magnesium, which is a mineral that aids in intestinal flow. Papayas are also rich in water, which is essential for constipation relief. How to eat. To maintain a varied and balanced diet, you should eat 1 slice to 1/2 of papaya per day in its natural state. You can include it as part of your breakfast or as a snack. Papaya can also be incorporated into fruit salads or smoothies. Oats. Oats are a grain that is rich in beta-glucans, a soluble fiber with probiotic functions. It also helps to feed the good bacteria in the gut, which helps to regulate intestinal flora and maintain normal intestinal function. How to eat. To relieve constipation, you should consume 1 tablespoon of oats per day. This can be consumed as oatmeal or added to fruit or yogurt. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a probiotic food that contains healthy bacteria like Bifidobacteria e lactobacillus. These bacteria help to keep the intestinal flora in balance to maintain optimal intestinal functioning. How to eat. It is important to look for yogurt in its most natural form. You should avoid products with food coloring, sugar, or sweeteners. Yogurt can be eaten once per day with fruit, oatmeal, or seeds at breakfast or as a snack. Plums. Because it is high in fiber, plums are a great way to relieve constipation naturally. Eating fresh plums also has the added bonus of water, which helps to soften and eliminate stools. How to eat. Plums can be eaten in their fresh form, 1 to 2 per day, or dehydrated without sugar, maximum 2 per day. Orange. Oranges are fruits with high amounts of water, which helps to soften the stool and facilitate intestinal flow. The pulp is rich in fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and helps relieve constipation. How to eat. To help relieve constipation, 1 full orange should be consumed with the pulp. It can be eaten after lunch or dinner. Pumpkin. Because it is rich in both fiber and water, pumpkin is important to add bulk and moisten the stools, making them easier to pass. How to eat. Pumpkin can be baked or used in broths, soups, or salads. It should be combined with other laxative foods throughout the week. Seeds. Seeds like chia, flaxseed, sunflower, and sesame seeds contain great quantities of omega-3. This is a healthy fat that can help to lubricate the intestines, which helps with the elimination of stools. They also tend to be rich in fiber, which helps add bulk and improve intestinal flow. How to eat. The number of seeds consumed per day can vary. You should aim for 1 tablespoon per day, added to salads, yogurts, and fruit. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, like spinach, chards, arugula, lettuce, and kale, are rich in fibers with laxative properties. They are great options for constipation relief, especially when eaten raw. These greens contain high amounts of water, which helps with stool movements. How to eat. Leafy greens can be eaten daily at lunch or dinner. Ideally, you should eat them raw whenever possible, in salads or in juices. Another way to consume leafy greens is by using them in stir-fries or soups. Legumes. Legumes, like beans, chickpeas, lupini beans, or lentils, are rich in soluble fibers that promote the formation of stools and help to relieve constipation. In addition, legumes also contain great amounts of magnesium, a mineral that is important to stimulate intestinal flow. How to eat. The recommended daily amount of legumes is 3 to 6 tablespoons per day. They can be added to broths, soups, or salads for lunch or dinner. Whole grains. Natural whole grains, like whole grain rice, whole grain pasta, or quinoa, have great amounts of insoluble fibers which help to increase stool volume and stimulate peristalsis to relieve constipation. How to eat. Whole grains, like whole grain rice, whole grain bread, quinoa, or amaranth, can be eaten daily for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.